Welcome to Tonomi, a platform developed on evidence-based research to enhance person-centered care practices. In this video, we'll show you a brief tutorial on how to get started making a life story photo book for you and your loved one. Let's get started! Starting on Tonomi's homepage, click the Create button at the top right corner. This will take you to our page explaining the required categories needed to promote the full potential benefits of the Tonomi story. Near the bottom of the page, we have a link to our tips and guides. Please take a moment to go through these to further understand how important it is to create the best and most beneficial Tonomi life story photo book. You will then click Create Your Book. This will take you to the login page. If you haven't registered as a user yet, click the Getting Started button. From here, you'll make a new account. Fill in all the necessary information, then click Next. It will then ask you to put in an address and promo code. The promo or coupon code will be given to you after you take the Family Satisfaction Survey located on the presentation page of the Tonomi website. Another thing to note, as a coupon user, once your book is complete, it will be sent to our Tonomi app, where the nursing home staff at the facility your loved one is at will be able to view the book to begin getting to know your loved one even better and improve person-centered care. After you've filled everything out, click Submit. Now, let's create a memory. Click Create New Album. A box will pop up asking you to give your new album a title and the name of the person the album is for. This name will be embossed on the photo book, so make sure you spell it correctly. Now, click Create Album. You will now be taken to the template site to design your Tonomi life story book. It may take a minute for the template to load, but soon the main template for your book will appear. You can see what page you're on by the upper left-hand corner or hovering your mouse over the page icons. The cover page and pages 1 and 26 cannot be edited, so make sure you click on the pages that have white on both sides. The camera button on the left-hand toolbar is where you will upload the photos you wish to use for your book. Click on this box to upload your images. From here, choose the images you wish to use, then click Choose. Your photos will now be uploaded to the template and appear on the left-hand side of your project space. The first image in your downloads will appear on the page you're currently working on. Either click the trash button or the backspace button on your keyboard to delete the image, if you don't want it on the page you're working on. Remember, if the screen is too small, you can use your browser's zoom function to make the screen bigger. To begin working on your photo book, click on the image of your choice from the left-hand toolbar. It will now appear on your workspace. To edit your image, click on it and you will see a toolbox appear. You'll have Advanced Editing, Transform, Position, Move Up, Move Down, and Reset. Let's start with Advanced Editing. The first function you'll see is the Crop tool. Click this box and then click and drag on the image where you would like the crop to appear. Inside the box you've made is where the cropping will take place. Make sure you adjust it to however you like, and then, when you're done, click the green checkbox to make the edit appear. You can save the edits you've made or restore the original image. The next function we have is Filters. From here, there are a few filters you can choose from that will change the color of your image. After this, the next function is Color Manipulation. Turn on each of these things and then slide the bar to adjust the filters how you want. Now let's go back to the main template. The next edit feature is Transform. You can either slide the bars to make the picture bigger or smaller, or tilt the image. You can also use the bottom and top right-hand corners to do the same thing. Also, the top left-hand corner will duplicate your image. Also, at any point, if you don't like what you've made, there's an Undo and Redo button. Simply click it to change your work back to where it was. The next feature we have is Position. Here, it'll position your image within your workspace and also flip your image. The final feature for the images is Move Up and Move Down. This is for managing your layers within the workspace you are currently on. Simply click on the image and click Move Up or Move Down to move it within your workspace. The next button on the left-hand toolbar is where you'll be able to add text. Simply click on the box, add the text you wish, and then click Add Text. The text will now appear on your workspace. You can move and adjust the size of the text just as you did with the images. The toolbar underneath the text will allow you to change the color of your text to whichever color will best show on your page. The other tools shown are similar to the font tools you would find on a Word document. Next on the left-hand toolbar is Choose from Designs. This is not currently available but will be made available at a later date. And lastly, there is Manage Layers. Here, you'll be able to view everything that you have on the page you are currently working on. You can click on a specific layer, lock a layer, or delete a layer you do not want. After you have finished a page and you move on to the next one, a brown bar will appear underneath the page that has work done on it. Also know that whenever you can't find or do not have the picture you want, simply go to your preferred search engine and look up stock photos similar to the memory you wish to create and upload the photo as we did previously. You'll also notice on the template you'll see 24 workable pages or 12 spreads. To make a spread, take an image, preferably one that will expand nicely, and adjust the image until it fits both pages. And there you go. You have a spread. As you're working on your photo book, know that there is an autosave feature that will appear every 10 minutes or so. However, to make sure your work is saved before you exit out, make sure to hit the Save Album button. The next button you see is the Save Album Preview button. Click this button to make sure, as a coupon user, to allow staff to view the book, or if you wish to share the book with family and friends. Next is the Preview button. This will bring up a preview box where you'll be able to see how your photo book will look like in book form. Make sure to turn your volume on so you can hear the cool page turning noises. Sounds like you're actually turning the page, doesn't it? Now, making sure that you've saved your work, if you need to leave at any point in time, you can go and click the Back to Albums button. On the album page, under an album you've created, you can click Edit to go back and edit the book. Click Share with Others to share your book with family and friends. Simply put in their email, and you can give them permission or not to edit the book. Then click Share. Also, you can update who the photo album is for in case you've made a mistake or anything like that. You can copy the shareable link, and you can also preview the photo book. After you finish your photo book, go back to the template page and click Proceed to Checkout. The address your photo book is being shipped to will appear here. Note, if you're using a coupon, the nursing home your loved one is at will be associated to that specific coupon, so the address will show up as the nursing home's address, so the book will be sent directly there for staff to begin using to get to know your loved one better and improve person-centered care. Click Send for Printing and your photo book will now be on its way to the printers and will be shipped out to you soon. Congratulations! I hope you look forward to seeing your book.